So that is gonna work.
Okay, now back to anterior third and epigastric. Epigastric having same complaint with rattling as we discussed. It is having that nauseative, deadly nausea is there. Nausea which is not even ameliorated by vomiting. The another key symptom, as you all know, thirstlessness is there in each and every complaint. Even when patient having epistaxis or slightly expectoration with blood, then this remedy will also help in such condition, having hemorrhagic condition. I am frequently using Ipecac in patient of hemorrhagic fever. That is, कौन सी condition है hemorrhagic fever की? That is dengue.
Hemorrhagic fever.
Yes. तो उसके अंदर we are frequently using this remedy and it works. It having that property to control the hemorrhage.